Good night, everyone. My name is Ravi Kunjbiari, and my fellow team members' names are Rajesh Kunjbiari and Nicholas Munn. We were tasked with a project to build a traffic light system by using an Arduino starter kit, an Arduino Uno starter kit, and we were tasked to build a traffic light system using push buttons and LEDs. We have Nicholas Munn going to continue with an introduction to what we did. Nicholas?
Hello, good night. Just a small introduction. Traffic lights are an essential part of the modern transportation systems, regulating the flow of vehicles and pedestrians at intersections. In this project, we designed and built a traffic light system using the Arduino and the LEDs. The system will have 3 lights, red, yellow, and green, and will operate in 2 modes, normal operation and pedestrian mode. We will connect the LEDs to the Arduino board using a breadboard and jumper wires and 220 ohm resistors to limit the current flow to the LEDs. We'll also write a program in Arduino IDE to control the operation of the traffic lights in the 2 modes and test the system to ensure its proper functioning. So what we used, the components we used were 6 220 ohm resistors, 2 10K ohm resistors, 2 push button switches, 6 LED lights, and the Arduino Uno controller board, and also the circuit breadboard. Now hand you over to Mr. Rajesh Kunjbiari for the description.
Good night, good night. So I will continue with a little more details on how this Arduino board traffic light system going to work. While I read a little bit on the operation, Ravi will start the simulation accordingly, and the different modes of operation will be shown on the circuit. So the traffic light system uses the Arduino board as a microcontroller to control the LED and switches. The board will be connected to a breadboard that will hold all the components of the system. Each LED will be connected to a digital output pin on the Arduino board through a 220 ohm resistor. This will limit the current flow through the LEDs and prevent the bulb from being blown, basically. The LEDs will be mounted onto the breadboard in order of red, yellow, and green to simulate a real-world traffic light system. The switches will be connected to the Arduino board through digital input pins, one which will be used to switch between normal operation mode and pedestrian mode, while the other switch will be used as a startup traffic light cycle. That's the red switch, right, Ravi?
No, normal here, and we have pedestrian here. We're using this red reset.
Right, that's what I'm referring to, right? So in normal operation mode, the traffic light will cycle through red, yellow, and green LEDs in a sequence. The duration will be, Ravi, so this is a list of the codes.
It'll be around, this green will be around 13 seconds, 10 to 13 seconds. We'll go on yellow for about 3 seconds. And this will go on red for about 10 or 13 seconds also. It will be in the code here, 13 seconds for the green, right?
So the simulator time will actually give you that rundown.
The simulator time is actually longer than real world time, because as it is a simulator. It seems slow here, but if we do it when we put the video of the actual demonstration, you'll see how it works on real time.
So this right now is what we're showing is normal operation mode, right?
Yeah,
this is the simulation for normal operation mode. Ravi, can you give the times, the seconds?
I did already. 13 on green, 3 on yellow, and 10 on red. My laptop's sticking.
Right, so it switched to yellow.
Yellow. Reach 18. All right. Nice.
All right, so switch to green and red. So that was normal operation mode. So now to switch to pedestrian mode. In the pedestrian mode, the traffic light signal will cycle through green, yellow, and red flashing LEDs. The flashing red LED will indicate that pedestrian can cross the road safely. The duration of each LED can be also adjusted in the program code to control the timing of the pedestrian signal states. For example, the green could be changed for like 20 seconds, the yellow for 5 seconds, the red LED for 10 seconds. So each one of the timers could be adjusted via the code. You can make the changes through the code.
Yep. So all set up 1 second.
Right. So the red light is flashing.
Yeah. I repeat it because this is simulated. It takes a while. I move slower than actual. In real time, it's much faster and better.
Right. Just to note that the program code for the traffic light system was written in the Arduino IDE using C++ programming language. The code will include the necessary function to control the LEDs and the switches, and will be structured to use conditional statements and loops to control the traffic light signal states in the 2 modes of operation. Finally, the system will be powered by a USB connection from a laptop connected to the Arduino board through a programming cable. That comes to the end of our presentation. Ravi will do a demonstration on the Arduino board system where we actually build the breadboard together with the Arduino board and simulate the traffic light controller system. And this video will be sent to Mr. Rohan Sinanan of the Ministry of Works, and hopefully we should get a job, to be some traffic light controller technician. That's it.
Good night. Good night, everyone.